Oh my god, that's horrible.
So this is kind of my first official, unofficial mukbang in the new house. Why does that do that? Is there a science behind it? I never understand why that does that. Oh. Okay. So the pineapple pizza debate is a great one. So many people are like, I love pineapple on my pizza, and then some people absolutely hate pineapple on the pizza. This is the pineapple pizza, and right away, it just looks just like, honestly, it looks disgusting. Well, I had about one chunk in there, and it's actually not that fresh. I don't know if it's because it's Domino's, so it kind of has like a dried out taste to it, but it's good.
Oh my god, you guys look.
Oh god, oh god. Oh!
Is he going to die?
Absolutely.
Ah!
Oh my god. I just feel like I have a big burp coming that won't come out. I need this big burp to come out. So what y'all been up to? How was your week?
How are people surviving? Britain and LA, they're gonna start having more blackouts because Britain gotta pay double the price when it comes to electricity. I knew we was gonna have a financial crisis, and the thing about it,
Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be very interesting because I decided I'm not human, okay? Normally you're not supposed to shoot to kill unless your life is in danger, but apparently aliens can shoot guns and murder. That's the that I want.
Yes.
Everyone always dunks on me. It's like, these are not normal humans. And so I've decided to put an end to those hate comments. Let's get started.
Whatever this is, this leaf, so good.
This rare leaf, good. Wow, wow, wow.
Damn.
A lot of you have been asking me to get a P.O. box, and no, just because I've watched a lot of YouTube videos where they've had those P.O. box openings, and I didn't want to receive anything in the mail that looks like oh my gosh. Ooh, 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 ooh. So good. It's so good.
Steven, control yourself. I can't, you know what? I can't control myself right now. I got two chickens. I got two chickens. I got two chickens. Domino's has never reached out to me. It's not sponsored by them. They've never said, hey Steven, thank you for your videos. They should, because any exposure. Hey Domino's, get it together.